The National Weather Service State College Office issued a wind advisory for the following counties: Fulton, Franklin, Perry, Dauphin, Schuylkill, Lebanon, Cumberland, Adams, and Lancaster counties. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. This will be effective from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. February 7, 2020. The impacts can result to tree limbs blown down and unsecured objects, and a few power outages may also result. Take extra caution when driving, especially a high-profile vehicle. Travel will be most difficult on north and south roads where strong winds cross may occur. For high wind safety information, visit weather.gov/wind.